How to factory reset iPhone with broken screen. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Then, scroll down to the end and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now, tap on Reset below. But before that, make sure everything's ready to transfer to a new iPhone, even if you don't currently have enough iCloud storage to backup. If you do not want to reset, then tap on Erase all content and settings instead. This way, if it's still responsive, you can get this done even with minimal functionality from your screen. Following these steps, you can easily factory reset iPhone with broken screen. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.